Hello everyone. Today I am going to solve some questions of IIT JAM 2021. This question paper contains 60 questions carrying 100 marks and it contains 3 sections A, B and C. A contains MCQ type questions, B contains MSQ type questions and C contains NAT type questions. So today I am going to start with section A of IIT JAM 2021. So let's start. Question number 1 is, the function e to the power cos x is Taylor expanded about x equals to 0. The coefficient of x squared is. The options are given. So the Taylor series about x is equals to a is given as fx equals to f of a plus x minus a into f prime a plus x minus a whole square by 2 factorial f double prime a plus up to infinity. Here in the question it is given that the Taylor series is expanded about x is equals to 0. So we have to expand it about x equals to 0. So fx is given e to the power cos x. So f of 0 equals to e to the power cos of 0 equals to e. F prime of x, we have to differentiate fx. So it is e to the power cos x and differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. So f prime of 0 equals to 0. If we put 0 here, then it comes 0. Next, f double prime x equals to, we have to differentiate this expression. So e to the power cos x into sin square x minus cos x. If we differentiate sin x, then it comes cos x e to the power cos x. Now if we put 0 in place of x here, then it comes e to the power cos 0. So 0, sin 0 is 0, 0 minus cos 0 is 1, e to the power cos 0, so minus e. So now I will put this in this equation. So fx equals to e, f of a is e, f prime of a is, f prime of 0 is 0 plus x square by 2 factorial into minus e. So in the question it is asked to find the coefficient of x square. So what is the coefficient of x square? Coefficient of x square is minus e by 2. So option B is correct. Now the next question is, let M be a 2 cross 2 matrix. Its trace is 6 and its determinant has value 8. Its eigenvalues are. So it's a 2 cross 2 matrix. Trace is given 6. Determinant is 8. So we know the trace of a matrix is equal to the sum of the eigenvalues and determinant of a matrix is equals to the product of the eigenvalues. So let the eigenvalues of the matrix be lambda 1 and lambda 2. So by the question, lambda 1 plus lambda 2, that is trace, equals to 6 and lambda 1 into lambda 2 equals to 8. So I have to check the options. So option A is 2 and 4. So I have to check whether this satisfies or not. If we put 2 and 4 in this equation, then it satisfies. So the option is A, A is correct and the other options are not satisfying here. So let's do next question. A planet is a highly eccentric orbit about a star. The distance of its closest approach is 300 times smaller than its farthest distance from the star. If the corresponding speeds are Vc and Vf, then Vc by Vf is. So in the question it is given that the distance of closest approach is 300 times smaller than that its farthest distance from the star. So here we have to use the conservation of angular momentum. Conservation of angular momentum. So m1 v1 r1 equals to m2 v2 r2. Here the mass will be same, so it gets cancelled out. v1 is Vc and r1 is rc and v2 is vf, r2 is rf. So we have to find Vc by vf. It comes rf by rc. And in the question it is given that the distance of the closest approach, that is rc, is 300 times smaller than that of rf. So in place of rc we can write rf by 300. So it comes 300. So the ratio comes 300. Option D is correct. Now let's do the next question. Now let us do question number 4. So in the question it is given an object of density rho is floating in a liquid with 75% of its volume submerged. The density of the liquid is. So in a liquid an object is submerged. Suppose this is the object. 75% is submerged. So the weight of the object acts downwards and the buoyant force on the object acts upwards. So according to Archimedes' principle, buoyant force equals to weight of the object. So the buoyant force equals to volume of the, so buoyant force equals to volume of the displaced liquid and into, let it be V prime, into the density of the liquid. So let the density of the liquid be D into G equals to m into G, where m is the mass of the object. So let D be the density of the liquid. V be the volume of the object. So it comes 75 by 100 into V into D into G equals to mass equals to volume into density. Volume of the object is V and density of the object is given in the question, rho into G. So G gets cancelled, V also gets cancelled, D equals to 100 rho by 75. So it comes 4 rho by 3. Option A. So the answer is A. So I will solve the next questions in the next video. Please subscribe this channel. The question paper and the answer key will be given on the description box.